Hello and welcome to today's video where I'll show you how to easily unlock a forgotten 3-digit suitcase combination lock. Let's get started. Unlocking a suitcase lock can be straightforward with these steps that you can do at home. Each circular button on the lock has a space underneath it where you need to find the gap to determine the lock code. If the buttons are black or difficult to see, like in my case, we'll use a simple method involving a piece of paper. Take a thin but sturdy sheet of paper and insert it at an angle under each button. Move the paper left and right to check for any resistance or gaps. If the paper moves freely, try turning the button to the next number and test again until the paper catches in a gap. As you can see, when the paper slips into a gap or indentation and doesn't move easily left and right, it indicates we've found the gap here. Once we have identified the gap under the first button, we will move on to the next button and repeat the process until the paper slips into a gap. It's important to use a new piece of paper for each button to ensure accuracy, as the paper can become damaged quickly and may bend easily. Additionally, make sure the paper's pointed side is facing the button and hold it in a straight line with the button without lifting it up or down. Continue this process for all 3 buttons until you've identified the gaps for each one. Now that we have identified all the gaps, let's verify if they can be clearly seen on the camera. Look closely around the buttons for these gaps. They should appear as noticeable indentations or spaces, as demonstrated in the video. Once we have found the gaps and are in the correct positions, we are one step closer to opening the suitcase. With only a few combinations left to try, turn each button one number back to find the right combination. Every time you turn the buttons one number back, press the key, and repeat this process until you unlock the suitcase. And there you have it! You successfully found the forgotten code and unlocked the suitcase. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.